Bitcoin has climbed past the $77,000 threshold, reaching a fresh trading level that has drawn attention across cryptocurrency markets. According to Bitcoin World Market Monitoring, BTC is currently trading at 77,091.71 on the Binance USDT trading pair. This move represents a significant upward shift for the leading cryptocurrency by market capitalization. While short-term volatility remains a hallmark of digital asset markets, crossing the $77,000 mark signals sustained buying pressure in recent trading sessions. Market participants are closely watching whether Bitcoin can hold this level as support or if profit-taking will lead to a pullback. The rally comes amid a broader environment of renewed institutional interest and improving market sentiment. Factors such as macroeconomic uncertainty, shifts in monetary policy expectations, and increasing adoption by mainstream financial platforms continue to influence price direction. This context is important because it helps traders and investors understand the broader forces shaping Bitcoin's movement. For traders, the $77,000 level serves as a psychological and technical benchmark. A sustained move above this zone could open the path toward higher resistance levels, while a failure to hold might see prices retreat toward lower support bands. Volume analysis and order book depth on major exchanges like Binance provide additional clues about market strength. These metrics are useful for assessing whether the current rally is driven by genuine demand or speculative activity. Long-term holders often view such milestones as validation of Bitcoin's store of value narrative. However, market observers caution. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. That rapid price increases can lead to corrections, and investors should remain aware of risk management principles. This is a reminder that while Bitcoin's price movement is significant, it is not a guaranteed trend and can be subject to sudden reversals. The recent price action has also drawn attention to Bitcoin's potential to reach higher levels. If the current momentum continues, traders may look toward the next key resistance level as a potential target. However, it is important to note that reaching these levels does not guarantee that Bitcoin will maintain them. Market conditions, including macroeconomic data and geopolitical events, can have a significant impact on price direction. One of the key factors to watch is the volume of trading activity at these price levels. High volume at or above $77,000 could indicate strong institutional or retail buying, while a lack of volume may suggest that the move is being driven by speculation or short-term traders. This is important because volume is often a leading indicator of market sentiment and can help traders anticipate potential price movements. Another important factor is the order book depth on major exchanges like Binance. A strong order book at higher price levels can suggest that there is significant demand for Bitcoin at those levels, which could support further price increases. Conversely, a weak order book may indicate that the market is not prepared to hold these levels, which could lead to a pullback. Bitcoin's rally has also sparked renewed interest from institutional investors. The growing adoption of Bitcoin by mainstream financial platforms is a key driver of market sentiment. As more institutions begin to allocate capital to Bitcoin, it can lead to increased demand and higher prices. However, this also means that the market is becoming more sensitive to macroeconomic developments, such as interest rate changes and inflation data. The next key signal to watch is whether Bitcoin can maintain the $77,000 level as support. If it does, traders may look toward the next resistance level as a potential target. If it fails to hold, prices may retreat toward lower support bands. This is an important signal because it can indicate most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Whether the current rally is sustainable or if it is being driven by short-term speculation. In addition to price levels, traders should also be watching for any changes in market sentiment. A shift in sentiment, whether due to macroeconomic data or geopolitical events, can have a significant impact on Bitcoin's price. This is why it is important for traders and investors to remain informed and to monitor market conditions closely. Ultimately, Bitcoin's recent rally is a reminder of the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency market. While the current price movement is significant, it is not a guaranteed trend and can be subject to sudden reversals. As such, traders and investors should remain cautious and be prepared for potential volatility.